Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I'm just letting you know I'm joining in with my awesome friend GIgi Creations, and I'm going to do a Valentine collab on February the 14th. It's very simple. Anytime that day will be fine. They are really simple rules. Just make anything you want for Valentine's Day to show love. That's simple. 2. Make sure to mention the host and the co-hosts in your video and description box. The playlist and all participants must be also included in the description box. Most important, enjoy what you're doing and having fun. Let's love and support each other. And don't forget the hashtag. It's all about love. And your title and description box so that we can add you to the playlist. Thank you. Here's my awesome friend. Look at that beautiful smile. She gives off so much love and support to all of you. So I hope to see you there on February the 14th. Come on, guys. Let's have some fun and join in on the Valentine Open Collab. It's all about love. That's the hashtag. Don't forget.